Today, I'd like to show you this Powerowl 9-volt rechargeable battery kit. Now, I use a lot of 9-volt batteries in all of my portable gear, and I like using rechargeable batteries because when I use a standard 9-volt battery and it becomes depleted, all I can do is throw it away, which is not great for the planet, and replace it with a brand new battery. But when I'm using a rechargeable battery like these and they become depleted, I can simply pop them into the charging base, charge them up, and they're ready to use again. Now, before I get too deep into why I like this particular Powerowl kit so much, I thought I'd start off with a really quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included, and then I'll spend some time explaining what makes this kit so special because, let's be honest, there are a lot of companies that make rechargeable batteries and other companies make chargers, but what Powerowl has done here is pick the best battery chemistry and technology and put it together with a clever charging solution that really makes this kit pretty special. And I'll get into all that in a minute, but let's get started with the unboxing. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the charging base. Now this is a really nice portable charger. It's small, it's thin. You can take this pretty much anywhere you need to. It's made out of high impact plastic. There are 4 slots on there, which means you can charge 4 batteries at the same time. And you'll find a single micro USB connection on the end that you can connect to any wall charger, power bank, or even your computer to charge these batteries. So you can take this with you and charge them in the field. In addition to that, you'll find 4 9-volt rechargeable batteries. These are based on lithium-ion technology, and they're 600 milliampere hours each, and I'll get into more about that technology in a minute. Also in the kit, you'll find a short charging cable. It's a USB-A to micro USB cable. Again, the USB-A end can plug into any wall charger, power bank, or a computer, and the micro USB end plugs in at the charging base and provides all the power you'll need to charge your batteries. You'll also find 2 instruction manuals included, one for the batteries and one for the charger. And again, read through those because there's a lot of good information in there about how to charge them, how to take care of them, and you want to make sure you get the best value out of the kit. All right, so let me start with the batteries. Lithium-ion technology has been around for a while, and it's really the best type of technology for rechargeable batteries for a lot of different reasons. Number one, it handles hot and cold weather really well, so if you're outside a lot, camping, or whatever you're doing, you know you can use these batteries in hot and cold temperatures. Another important thing is that these batteries provide up to, I'm laughing because I can't believe it, up to 1,200 recharge cycles. Now think about that. You can charge this one battery up to 1,200 times. That's 1,200 other batteries that you won't have to worry about replacing. Another big difference with lithium-ion technology is the charge retention is very long, which means you could charge this and a year later, it's only lost about 2% of its charge. So you could charge it, put it in your drawer, pull it out a year later, and you've got pretty much a full battery. And the last thing about these particular cells from Powerowl is that they don't have any issues with sort of charge memory, which is a problem that plagues a lot of batteries on the market. And what I mean by that is if you charge the battery to 100% and you only use 20% of it, so you run it down to 80%, then you charge it again, you may not get a full charge out of those other batteries because they remember that you discharged it to 80%. With these, you can run it down as low as you want, fully charge it up to 100%, run it down again, fully charge it to 100%. So you're really getting the best of all the world's available technology for batteries in these 4 batteries. Again, long retention on the charge, hot and cold temperature, can handle that really well, and the fact that it doesn't have that charge retention issues that a lot of other batteries have. So the batteries themselves are really nice products. I like this charging solution because a lot of the other companies out there put a charger maybe in the kit, maybe as a separate item that uses a specialty charger, and that's always a problem. If the charger goes bad, what do you do? With this one, it's using a standard micro USB connection. The cable's included. If the cable goes bad or you lose the cable, you can use any micro USB cable to connect this up to your wall charger and charge it. Again, these pop in there very easy. You basically just take the battery and pop it in just like this into the charging base, and it'll hold up to 4 batteries at the same time. And again, in the center of it, there are 4 little LEDs right here that you know if the batteries are charging. They're initially red. Once the battery's charged, they'll turn green. And that way you can put 4 batteries in. They're all going to be at different discharge levels, and they'll all charge at different rates. But if you look at that charging base, you'll know immediately which one's fully charged. It's just a great way to eliminate the need to keep buying batteries and replacing batteries, and worse, throwing those batteries out in a landfill, which is not a good thing for the planet, like I'd mentioned earlier. And again, one of these batteries can replace up to 1,200 standard batteries. So you can do the math on that one. But anyway, for me, I like this kit an awful lot, and I think they did a great job of putting together good battery technology with a clever charging solution to make this a really nice kit. And that's pretty much all I had for today, so I hope you enjoyed the review.